Angeline,
Michael Angelo,
wear this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity,
in the name of the Father, and of
and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
If ever you wondered if you touch my soul, yes you do. Since I met you, I'm not the same. You bring life to everything I do. Just the way you say hello, with one touch I can't let go. Never thought I'd fall in love with you. Because of you, my life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I feel no shame. I'll tell the world it's because of
I'm very happy and excited that I and Angie will be married, and I'm looking forward to married life with Angie, and I know that it will be a blessed and happy one.
Very elated, very happy, and excited. And I look forward to going to church and meet my husband to be.
enough that you love me for me. You reached inside and touched me internally. I love you best explains how I feel for you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because of you, my life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I feel no shame. I'll tell the world it's because of you. The magic in your eyes, true love I can't deny. When you hold me, I just lose control. I want you to know that I'm never letting go. You mean so much to me, I want the world to see it's because of you. Because of you, my life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I feel no shame. I'll tell the world it's because of you. My life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I feel no shame. I'll tell the world it's because of you. Yeah. Everything that I am is because of you. That's why I write this song, 'cause it's because of you, yeah. When I wake up in the morning and I look into your eyes, I wanna say thank you, yeah. Because I am who I am, because of you. Because of you. Because of you.